these are the worst yet. The worst again, figures over 24 hours. 708 people have died through coronavirus. That brings the total now to 4,313, and it may even be higher than that because these figures are collated, of course, hours after those deaths, and it may not include everybody in terms of care homes or people who actually die in their homes. So it's a grim statistic which will reinforce the arguments in Britain to try and have this self-isolation that they're asking people to stay at home, but actually now they're instructing people, especially on a warm weather weekend like the one that the majority of Britain seems to be enjoying. They're asking people, don't be tempted, don't go out, stay indoors, because that's how you slow down the spread of this infection. And this does follow the kind of trend that's been seen in Spain and in Italy, and the scientific advisors for the government are warning them that actually we are still 1 or maybe 2 weeks away from the peak. That could come after the Easter holidays, and then there's a very tough decision facing the UK government in terms of this lockdown. Is it then going to be an even more strict lockdown, similar to what is seen in Spain, which is going to extend their state of emergency, and what has been seen in Italy over the past 3 weeks?